Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in smart home technology. Today, we're talking about the best smart thermostats for a smarter home. Smart thermostats are a game changer when it comes to controlling your home's temperature, saving energy, and ultimately, saving money. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the top smart thermostats on the market and what makes them stand out from the rest. From the sleek designs to the intuitive interfaces, we'll be covering everything you need to know to make an informed decision about which smart thermostat is right for you. First up, we'll be looking at the Nest Learning Thermostat. With its simple and elegant design, the Nest is a popular choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their thermostat. We'll dive into its features, including its ability to learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly, saving you money on your energy bill. Number 1. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. The reigning champ of smart thermostats isn't quite ready to be ousted from its throne. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat clinched the number 1 spot on our list yet again because it gets all the important stuff right. It offers more convenience and safety compared to the competition, and it's also chock full of energy-saving features. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat was designed for people with schedules too unpredictable to program into a basic thermostat. It's also great for the just plain forgetful among us. The built-in occupancy sensor and geofencing protocols figure out whether you're home or not, and an algorithm crunches the data to predict your future behavior. Whether you're getting called into the office more often or you go out to eat every Tuesday, Nest knows, and adjusts the thermostat accordingly. Number 2. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. If you're all about getting your money's worth, you'll love Ecobee's new Smart Thermostat Premium. For starters, it introduces some cool built-in features. Voice control through Siri or Alexa, no separate hubs required. Air quality monitor. Smoke alarm listener. And, like some other Ecobee thermostat models, the Smart Thermostat Premium doubles as a home security base station. Plus, it's Ecobee's first learning thermostat, putting it on par with the Google Nest Learning Thermostat in terms of convenience. We also love the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium's exceptional smart home compatibility. It works with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, IFT, and every major voice assistant. And did we mention that Alexa and Siri are built into the Ecobee Premium? You don't even need an Amazon Echo or Apple HomePod to reap the benefits of voice control with this smart thermostat. Number 3. Wyze Thermostat. The Wyze programmable Wi-Fi thermostat isn't the fanciest smart thermostat on the market, but we think it's the best you can get for under $100. To get the most out of the Wyze thermostat, you need at least one Wyze room sensor, which costs about $30. Your total price comes to a little more than $100 when the Wyze thermostat isn't on sale. But it's worth it to get the sensor. That's where the motion sensor, humidity sensor, and remote temperature sensor are housed, all of which give you more control over the climate in your home. The Wyze thermostat isn't Energy Star certified, so it may not provide the same level of savings as some of the other smart thermostats on our list. It does provide energy reports and some maintenance alerts, like filter replacement reminders. No C-wire is required to install the Wyze thermostat, and it supports ACC Plus terminals for whole home dehumidifier and ventilator integration. Number 4. Honeywell Home T9. Honeywell Home makes quite a few smart thermostats. Models like the T5 Gen 2 and the RTH9585WF were also in the running for our best smart thermostat list, but ultimately the T9 rose to the top because it's Honeywell's only learning thermostat. As such, the Honeywell T9 learns your routines and creates energy-optimizing schedules on your behalf. It's the pinnacle of convenience and a feature that we prioritized when searching for the best home thermostats. The T9 pairs with up to 20 remote temperature and occupancy sensors. The T9 itself doesn't have a built-in occupancy sensor, so don't skip these accessories if you want to take advantage of its learning capabilities. This Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat works with dual-band Wi-Fi, requires a C-wire for installation, and comes with a 2-year warranty. It's also Energy Star certified and offers extreme temp warnings, filter replacement alerts, and energy usage reports. Number 5. Emerson Sensi Touch. Bill payers, here's your chance to stop temperature tampering once and for all. The Emerson Sensi Touch's keypad lockout feature is relatively rare among smart thermostats and prevents people from making any adjustments without the PIN. The Emerson Sensi Touch ST75 is Energy Star certified. You'll get energy usage reports, filter replacement reminders, and other system maintenance alerts. This thermostat also displays the weather forecast and alerts you if extreme temps are on the way. The Emerson Sensi Touch doesn't work with remote temperature sensors, nor does it have an occupancy sensor. However, you can use geofencing to change the thermostat settings when you leave or arrive. In terms of smart home connectivity, the Emerson Sensi Touch pairs with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings for voice control and home automation integration. We're bummed it doesn't pair with IFT, though.